Hey, what's up? Steven, Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over these few tips that we can actually apply to your site so that way we can get some better rankings and really draw in a lot more leads coming in online as well. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Everything that you see is content. Even these images, this all has content behind it as well. You got download one. You can actually put keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings so you can get on that first page of Google. And your first page, I like to be around 1,500, maybe 2,000 words. That way you can actually layer in those keywords as well. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for. Right inside of Google, I just put in window cleaning carlsbad. This is what you're going to see. You get these Google guaranteed ads. These actually replace those old school traditional ads. Those old ones got really spammy, so these block out some of those spammy phone calls. Still another form of paid advertisement, really. Still get pretty pricey at the end of the month, and people do have ad blockers, so a lot of these ads aren't even getting through. Underneath the ad section, we have this little map pack. It looks like you're in the rankings right here. So I'm not even going to go talk about the map pack there. But that first page of Google, this is really where all that organic traffic happens. And to be found there, you're going to be dealing with all this content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking back to yours that just pushes power to it so you can get yours on that first page of Google to bring those leads in. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. Lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like you got this thing going back in 2019 or so. This is the last 3 months of your site. You got 20 referring domains, 594 backlinks, 39 keywords, which in total you're getting about 15 clicks to your website every month. Can actually see where those clicks are coming from. We've got your name here at the top. Window cleaning Carlsbad, 8th position. You're getting a few clicks out of the 90 right there. Kennedy, you got your name there again. Roof cleaning San Diego, there's 60 clicks. You're missing the traffic being 41st position. That's the 4th page. Nobody goes shopping on the 4th page. Window cleaning San Diego, another 90 clicks. Window screening repair San Diego, another 90 clicks. Missing the traffic on both of those. You're like the 6th page on that. San Diego window cleaning. Yeah, so really coming in and making sure you're doing the quality backlinks and also a lot more content. You're going to notice your phones really start ringing off the hook. Well, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon with you. Bye.